Police department. Come out with your hands empty, please.
Sorry, what?
Come out with your hands empty, please. Come to the door. Just got to chat with you, see what's going on. Okay. She said you had a gun.
Why were the police called?
Can you keep your hands visible for me? The other hand, please.
No, why? I don't know what the doctor is. No.
Do you have a gun, sir?
I'm sorry, what?
Because we got a report that there was an assault here. Can you come over here?
There was no assault.
Okay. All right. Can you talk to my officer here? Can you show me other hands, sir? Just so I'm safe?
No.
Okay. Okay, Todd, find out if he's got a gun.
I'll have multiple guns.
Do you have a gun in your hand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Okay, put the gun down, please. Back up. Back up. Put the gun down.
No.
Back this way.
Back up.
Hold on, I'm plugging at the air. Subject's on. Get her, Todd. Get her back more cars. Put the gun.
I'm out unarmed, they're gonna shoot me.
No, I'm not. If you come out unarmed.
How can I believe you?
I give you my word, sir. I
I
have a body camera that's recorded audio and visually, sir. I don't want to hurt you. Hold on, that's for all the other units. His room is the second room from the southwest. Come around the north to the south. I promise you, sir, I do not want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt anybody. Please come out unarmed. Yeah, I don't care about your warrant.
What?
I don't care about your warrants. I care about your safety and my safety. So please come out unarmed, sir. Okay? I give you my word. I've got a wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay? Please come out.
Sheriff's office, open the door! Sheriff's office, open the door! Step out. Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
It's over there.
Drop the gun!
I don't have it.
312, shots fired. Suspect down. Do not move! 312, get EMS.